Ramogi Kambi rego sukari mar Chemelil koro yango ni gibiro chako chulo jopur niang juma ka juma eneno ni gitieko gowi mar $235,000. Tend Kambino wacho ni en gowi ma osekunore kuom dweche mang'eny kendo gitemo matek mondo mi jopur obed mamor. Jatelo maduong' e Kambino Gabriel Nyangweso bende yango ni Kambino sani rego maber kendo giloso tan 2,000 mar sukari pile ka pile. Bende no osingo ne jotich mag Kambino ni gopegi mag osara osebudho bende ibiro chulgi.
There's a problem in electricity here now. Remember, sometimes back the government bailed us out by paying arrears. They paid 30, for our case, they paid 40%. There's a 60% that we still expect from the government. And we also accrued some arrears during the time we were struggling before maintenance. That was between January and March of this year. In our discussions with the farmers, we have arranged to pay 7.5 million on a weekly basis towards the arrears, which have been doing. Every week we pay 7.5 million towards the arrears. And we are also current on the cane payment that we receive now. So any cane that we receive, we pay it within a week. So we are current on the current cane payments, but we are also paying 7.5 million every week towards the arrears. 2017 we were not in production for almost 6 months, no, almost 8 months of the year. Then 2018 we were also not in production for some period. The whole of 2019 we were not in production. So these are the areas that are